Hi there. So we are fixing the Daybed. So we got 3 beds. So we are already done with one. So as you see here, how it looks. This is how it looks, and this is its manual. So this is we're going to fix the second and third bed, and here we will show you how to fix it and get it ready. We'll show you as one example, one of the beds. Okay, so right now we are removing all the tapes here. So I have my team here helping me out.
This is how the bed would look when it's done. Well, my bed eventually.
Okay, that's
and
good.
my bed will be white and black.
Great.
We don't need scissors for this.
So yeah, you will do that part. Okay, now move a little bit. Let me cut this. Let me cut this with a scissor.
The first thing is we have to take the tape off and like all of the stuff that is keeping the box.
So I have my team here. They want to help me out. That's cool.
Yeah, it's a kid. Yeah, like last time I fixed the computer with my dad.
Great.
Then
Thank you.
Then we put it back because we didn't want it.
Stay cutting using your hands. Excuse me, Ragad. So just use a scissor like this, easily, and it goes. And
That's way easier.
it opens it. Ragad, can you move your hands, please?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. So easy, so simple. You don't have to move your hands.
And open the box.
Great. Now we'll open the box.
Oh yeah, guys, you have to do the side.
So this is what is inside the box.
Guys, after we're fixing my bed.
Okay, now we have to take care.
Guys,
Can you guys
after
right now we are, taking all the garbage away so we can have a clean place to get it ready. Wait, Ahmed, wait. And this is how we open the box. I'll just move it aside. I'll use my other hand. Okay, now we'll move this. Can you move Ragad, please? So now
Right
we'll
now,
move it.
my daddy is just moving it to
can
the
you move it a little bit?
ground. And the other teammate. Guys, concentrate on the box. Okay,
now
I
use the scissors.
make sure that I show them everything.
Can you move Ragad? Let me use the scissors. So just use the scissors to open it properly
Yeah.
from all sides. You don't have to do that. Clear, Ragad.
Hey guys, Papa, but can I get the other scissors so I can help?
No, it's okay. You don't need to use the scissor, bro. No, can you move that side? Ragad, can you move? Move that side.
Can I put an iPad? Well, that is awesome. After we're fixing the king's bed, which is half of the stuff inside right now, which just need my dad to open the other side. How we open this side is how we're gonna open this side.
Okay, no.
This is how it should look. That is
So,
all the things we need.
This
is how it should look.
Put it aside.
Like I have done. Yeah. So you move everything and you put it to the side.
Can you leave it? Please. So there's something here. Just cut it with the scissor.
With the cases on the stuff, just rip it off with the scissors. But if you don't want to, just rip it off with your hand. So there should be 2 pieces. And the pieces should basically just look like this. We just turned it around. Guys, let me show you the real way. Bubba, can I have help? That piece right there is that piece on the bed. This piece is this piece. That piece is that. That big piece.
So they're
is going
connected here. So just open with a scissor.
Yeah, use it with a scissor. That big piece, as you can see, is going to be right there. That piece and that piece. Bubba. So put it on the sides. Bubba. Oopsie. That's all. No, guys, wait. Why don't you guys sit on the bed for now? Why not gonna let me? There was some. My dad is the strongest. That's why he can handle it. But we need this video to be good. Yeah. So everybody knows how to build a bed.
So
Yeah,
this is the
everybody
menu.
always knows.
So we do step by step on this.
Whoa!
And this is the
This
is the tools box.
That rectangular prism is the box that we are going to be using for this.
So open it for the scissor like this. Like this.
I'm just talking about the 3D shape.
Okay. So you get everything here. You can also use the scissors to open it again from the sides. from the middle. Easy, slowly. Good. So you get everything here in the box.
Oh.
So you get this too.
I want to pop. I want to like pop. Okay, so there should be 2 of those.
4.
Looking, yeah, 4. And it looks like
We have here.
it looks like that when you open it. That.
And this note.
That. And we have a red thing.
So we have in here. So you get here like A12.
What?
I think it is 12 pieces, and this is B 12 pieces, and C 2 pieces, and D 1 piece. And all of them will be in this box, in here, in this box, in the whole box. Yeah,
That
I guess
red
in here. In here. So we're removing the plastic bags from it.
And no jumping on the bed, or else you'll break it. No more bed forever.
Good, thank you. Okay.
Muscle man. You know, this bed that we're just making right now is gonna be just like that bed. No jumping in this bed.
No jumping on this bed.
Cause if you break it, you're gonna be a bad boy.
Yeah.
What?
Picture what she said. Tell them about it.
If you jump in the bed, you're gonna be a bad boy.
Ahmed, what is
No more person jumping on the bed. Be a bad boy and bad girl if you jump on the bed. And
Yeah,
you will
don't-
break.
don't
No
jumping on the
more
bed.
person jumping on the bed, or else you will break it and you will die. And you will never have a bed again. You will bump your head in your world. In that world. If you guys, okay guys, if you like this movie, just subscribe. Press our bell. First, subscribe.
So,
First, you're gonna have to subscribe to our video and give us a big bell.
thank you. So now we go.
And slap our bell
to get more videos.
and slap our bell, guys. And slap our bell.
Can I continue, guys? Okay.
Smash it.
So right now here we'll go step by step as per the manual. I have already done it, so I know it, but I'll just show you how to do it step by step. So here you get, it tells you how many tools you have. So here we'll go with step 1.
On the paper.
So we'll go with step 1. Step 1 here says use the A. So you're gonna use 6 of them and use the D. So A is here. A is this one here. As you can see, A. And then here is the letter C. And this is D. So we want to use A. So as says here, A and D. So A and D. So first we take this piece here and this piece, and then we connect it from here. We go from here or from here, any spot. And so this is the other side. You're connecting the other side, as we have already connected the first side. There, we'll connect this side now. Here. Okay, see. Put this here. Because you know, it's, if it falls down here, then you know it takes a little bit time to take it out. But see what you do. Do it like this, and try to put it from here. Try to get it in, fit in, and here you are, connected. All right, and same with the others. Here it is. So simple and easy. So we're done with the connecting 1, 2, 3. So we're following the steps on the manual, because here, because it shows here. So we went with the step 1, connecting the fast birth, and here. So we still have to connect here, number 2, the smaller one, which is there. So we'll have to connect it here between this and this. It's so simple and easy.
Sure.
Okay, so now, all right, I'll let you picture, okay? Okay, so we connect this.
After
Yes, we'll do that, okay?
when Ahmed finish?
Wait, so from here, make sure you get it in, connect here. All right.
Second one first. We are gonna do this one after because it's not rolled right. Oh, it's easy.
So how this is, she's helping me holding it.
Okay, guys. Okay, so you see this. This is supposed to go on here, but when it's different,
Okay, let's finish.
like this has to be tied into here.
Okay, thank you. We
But-
connected this piece here, so this piece is from here until there, till the end. So it's connected. So now we go with B part. So how do they look? B is this long. So which we are gonna connect these here from this holes here. So this side should be this way here.
Okay, there's only
As you
two
see,
more
okay.
parts.
Yeah, 2 more parts. Okay, now we connected this in the middle, so we're connecting 1, 2, 3, and this is my team Noor. Noor, say hi. Okay, so we made a slight mistake and we put this long one here on this one here, where it's supposed to be on these ones. On the other one, that one at the end. She's really upset. So we had to repeat everything and search for this long one, and we found it here. Because here should be the small a and this B should be here. So because of that mistake, we had to remove everything and search for this. So make sure that you don't open the pack for the next letters, which is B. I think it is B, right? Yeah, until you finished with the A and fixing all A, fitting it on here. So let me show you what it is. So this is A and this is B. So how big it is? So yeah, so because of that mistake, we had to repeat everything. So we're on the last part here. So the last one here. So that will be number C. And we'll go here. Just open it. That will be the last thing on the bed. And here. So go this way. 7. Oh, we took it inside. Okay. Okay. This one here, you fix it. It's the last part of it. Okay. This way. So it's better when you fix this one here, the bed has to be in the ground. Okay, so it'll be easy and it will fit. It wouldn't turn right or left. Okay, it will be like this. As Noor, we are close to these ones here. You fix them. Just insert them here. And turn them around, and by this step we finish the bed, and the bed is ready. And that's how the bed is. So now the bed is ready here. So inside, as you can see, it's ready. And let's take the mattress.
We have to wait until it's on. So we're gonna take
And Noor, your bed is ready, huh? Pretty.
Yeah, could have been ready a few minutes ago.